Hello students, in chapter 8, welcome again in binomial theorem. Students, today we continue our exercise 8, question number 5. Evaluate root 3 plus root 2 the 6th power minus root 3 minus 2 the 6th power. So students, here I going ahead one by one for root 3 plus root 2 raised to 6. So students, we going ahead. Here 6 is 0, root 3 root 2, 61, till up to we write down 66, 62, 63, 64, next 65, and last 66, and make the polarity. This polarity you can consider here 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and that is 6 minus 0, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. Now you can calculate easily step by steps. Root 3 plus root 2, the 6th power, it is 1. Root 3, 2 root 3 is 3. Again 3 and again 3, total 6, no? So 3 3s are 9, 3s are 27. That is 1. 61, 6. But root 3 raised to 5 power. Root 3, 3. Again 3 means 9 root 3. Root 2 same. 62, I calculate here 6 factorial, 2 factorial and 4 factorial. So students, you have to 6, 5, 4, stop. That cancel. It is 15. 64 also same coming students. That also 15. So here I write down 15. Root 3, 4 times means 3 3s are 9. That is 4. 63. I also calculate that 6 factorial, 3 factorial and 3 factorial. So students, here 6, 5, 4, 3, stop, and it is 6. That cancel and this cancel. It should be 20. So here I going to 20. It is 3 root 3. And here 2 root 2. Root 3, root 2, root 2, root 2, root 2 3 times means 2 root 2. Next 64 is same as 2. Here 15. 3 and that is 4. Root 2, root 2, 2 and again 2. It is 4. Now 65, which is 6. And here students 4 root 2. And last 1, 1. Root 2, root 2, 2, again 2 and again 2, total 6 times, 2 to the 4 to the 8. So you are getting value root 3 plus root 2 the 6th power. Here 27, 9 6 are 54, root 3 root 2. We not write down root 6, huh? Now 9 4s are 36, either that taking 15 4s are 60, yes 60 into 9. 15 4s are 60 and into 9, so 0, 9 6 are 54, 540. Next 20, 3s are 60, 3 2s are 6, 6 2s are 12, means 120, root 3 root 2. Yes, 3 2s are 6, 2s are 12, 120. Now that 4 3s are 12, 12 into 15, either 15 3s are 45, 45 into 2. 19, 19 to 2, 180. Next 24, root 3 root 2, and last 8. Students, here you can show statement number 1. Now this full part I just highlight because I take now this one directly. Similar, root 3 minus root 2 the 6th power. Only this minus root 2, here it is positive 1, negative root 2, positive, negative, positive, negative and positive. So students, I here write down 27, it become minus. Same here, plus, it become minus here now. Continue here, plus, again that minus and that plus. And now students, you can collect this fully between minus. So here minus, sign change, minus, sign change, minus, sign change, and here also sign change. Students, so you have to done root 3 root 2 6 power minus root 3 root 2 6 power is equal to these are subtract them. Here also these are 2 times, these are subtract 2 times, subtract 2 times, subtract. It means you have to 2 times 54 root 3 root 2, 120 root 3 root 2 and 24 root 3 root 2. Now easily students, you can get your final destinations. Root 3 root 2 I common taking, other are 54, here 120 and that 24. Now added all, so 120 plus 54 plus 24, it is 8, 5 and 4 9, it is 198. So 2 root 6, 198, 2 I just multiply 2 8, 2 16, 1 carry, 9 2 18, plus 1 19, 1 carry, 2 1 2 plus 1 3, 396. So 396 root 6. So it is here our this question 6 is 396 root 6 for big solutions, easily students done here. Now continue students, one more question number 6. Find the value for this 4 power and this also 4 power. Only middle are plus and minus. So I going ahead for these solutions. First of all, a square plus a square minus 1 the 4 power. How many total number of terms? 5. So 4c0. Very carefully, slow I write down, students. Next 4c1. Same 4c2 till up to we write down 4c4. Next 4c3, and last 4c4. Now internal put it power ready. Here power ready. Here either here any one place. I write down here 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, and that is should be 4 minus 0, which is 4, 3, 2, 1 and 0. So you have to easily clear a square. Other are 4 power same, that is 1, a raised to 8 and n raised to 0, 1 only. Other 4c1 4, a raised to 6, but that as it is. Now 4c2 students, I calculate here by the rule of permutations. You can know very well. So 4 into 3 into 2, and that is cancel. This also cancel. 2 2s are cancel, and here students 2 2s are. It is total 3 2s are 6. Either 4 cancel it. It is 6. A raised to 4, and here a square minus 1. The under root and square remove. 4c3 4, a square, and that is a cube minus 1 as it is. And last 4c4 is 1, 1, but here a square minus 1 the square, because I have root with the 4, so 2 2 Now continue students, we have to going that this one more time check. 2 2s are 4 cancel, only 6. So these are statement number 1, right students. Now that I start similar but between minus. So similarly, what is next? A square minus under root a square minus 4 power. You have to a raised to 8. Check here. Minus term raised to 1. It is negative. Yes, you can write down here plus. Again here minus. And that's the plus. So I getting to minus 4a raised to 6 under root c plus 6c raised to 4 a square minus 1 minus 4a square under root a cube minus 1 and last plus a square minus 1. Now this both between we can create between us plus. So students, here you plus all are additions. Yes, only you can do the plus, means students this and that cancel. Similarly here this cancel cube parts and cube parts. Other we have to a square plus a square minus 1 the 4 power a square minus the 4 power is equal to 2 times, yes, a raised to 8 a raised to 8 6 a raised to 4 a square minus 1, and that is a square minus 1 the whole square. Now very easy and simple. I expanded. So 2 times a raised to 8 4 a raised to 6 a raised to 4 and 2. How much? 6 minus 6 a raised to 4 and here a raised to 4 2a square and 1. Yes. Now you can get the like terms. 2 times a raised to 8 12 a raised to 6. Now 12 a raised to 4 plus 2 times a raised to 4 minus 4a square plus 2. So this is a like term, and always like term you take plus minus. So twice a raised to 8 12 a raised to 6 minus 10, yes, a raised to 4 minus 4a square plus 2. And here students, our question 6 is easily done here. Students, now continue 7th sum using binomial theorem. Yes, find out approximate value of the first 3 steps. Yes, it means first 3 terms only I want to 0.99 raised to 5. Very easy students. 0.99 raised to 5, I just write down 1 minus 0.01. Yes, 1 minus 0.01, it become 0.99. And here you consider students a, b raised to n. N is your 5. So you can create a1, b minus 0.01 and n is 5. So my solution is up to 3 steps. nc0 means 5c0 plus 5c1, next 5c2. Check here, this is the first step, second step and third step. Only 3 steps we doing, not going further after. Here power it is 0 1 2, here 5 minus 0 5 4 and 3. So your data is here 1, 5c1 is a 5 minus 0.01 and 5c2 students, you know it is 10. Either you calculate by these formulations. 5 factorial 120, here 2, it is 6. Yes, it become 10. So my value is here 10 1 and here 0.0 square 0.0001 minus is plus, total 4 digit that. So you have to here 1 minus 0.05 and it get easy 1 2 3 and 4 points 1 left. Only I have 1 minus 0.05 and it is 0.001. Total 110130 only. So 3 point and this and that addition 1.001 minus 0.05. Now I subtracted 1.001 minus 0.05. Here 0. So here 1. Students, here 0, 9, 10, 5, 9 and 0. Your answer is 0.951. Either you can write down 0.9510, that also true. But up to that 3 digits, you can write your answer, and that's your target achieved. Now students, slowly going ahead. Question number 8, which is very most IMP numericals. Many time asking in exam, in JEE also. Yes, question is, find n if the ratio of the first fifth term from the beginning to the fifth term from the end. It will starting to fifth term and ending to fifth term. Both ratio given √6 ratio 1 in this expansion, and find out value of n. First of all, I compare here with the a plus b raised to n. So what's your a? Yes, 4th root of 2, 2 raised to 1 by 4. B, 1 by 4th root of 3, indirectly 3 raised to 1/4. It means you can show minus 1 by 4. N is n. Now I start to my total number of terms. Yes, in total number of terms. How much? Total is n given. But total number of expansion term, it is n plus 1. It means terms are, I just properly write down T1, T2, T3, T4, T5, T6, Tn. Correct? No, it is n plus 1. So you can write down here n plus 1. So what is the previous term? Tn. Tn minus 1, Tn minus 2, Tn minus 3, Tn minus 4 till last. I want to first fifth term. It means that. And from beginning and end. Beginning taking. Now from end. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It means this one. This both ratio. Given that √6 ratio 1. Yes, students. Very easy and very simple. So I first of all converting in the general term. TR plus 1 known you. NCR. A raised to n minus r. B raised to r. So TR plus 1. N is unknown n. R is also unknown. So A is what? A is 2 raised to 1/4. And raised to n minus r as it is. But B is a 3 raised to minus 1/4 raised to r. So it is here I just rearrange and simplify my terms. So TR plus 1, which is NCR, 2 raised to n minus r by 4, and here 3 raised to minus r by 4. And this parts are utilization in the given ratio, students. Now check ratio of fifth term from beginning to end. It means this and that. So from given terms of 5 upon terms of n minus 3 become √6 ratio 1, and this I apply in my solution. So cross multiply. So here 1 into T5 √6 into n minus 3. But I want to terms of r plus 1. That's why students here T4 plus 1 right. Here also plus 1. But what the internal? Internal is r minus 4. Sorry, n minus 4. Because because I want to here r terms in the plus 1, so that is n minus 4 plus 1 is n minus 3. Now here r4 putting that, and that r what? N minus 4 putting that. So here first starting NC4, r become 4, 2 raised to n minus 4 by 4, 3 raised to minus 4 by 4, and here also same, but r now this time what? N minus 4 attach here. So NC n minus 4, 2 raised to n minus 4 by 4, and into 3 raised to n minus 4 by 4. Again repeat, r I taking what? N minus 4 for comparison by this term n minus 4. Here apply, here n minus 4 apply, and here also students n minus 4. Now try to calculation in the easiest way, this cancel. Here this and this, it is same. So I expansion n factorial 4 factorial n minus 4 factorial, this one, and 2 raised to n minus 4 by 4 same, 3 raised to minus 1 same, root 6 n factorial n minus 4 factorial, and here students n minus n plus 4, indirectly it is 4 factorial, and this and dot cancel. Yes, remaining I have 2 raised to n minus n cancel, only 4 by 4. Check, n minus n gone, minus minus plus, it is 4 by 4, and 3 raised to same n minus 4 by 4, and that simplification. Now students, I going ahead slowly 2 raised to n minus 4 by 4, it is 1/3. Here root 6, 2 raised to 1 because it is 4 by 4 gone, and only I have 3 raised to minus n minus 4 by 4. Now you try to taking the like terms one side with related n, and constant students one side. Easily you can derive your final answer. So I just start my solutions by these terms. Power and related, power and is take downwards. So 2 raised to n minus 4 by 4 upon 3 raised to n minus 4 by 4, and here root 6, 2 and this 3 you carry forward right side. So students, can I this denominator minus I going to upward sides? Yes, 2 raised to n minus 4 by 4 into 3 raised to n minus 4 by 4, and here root 6 into 6. Actually this full term I write down downwards, so minus as it is, and now take upside. So here power it is same, base you take combine, it is 6 raised to half plus 1 because here 1 and that is half root, so 6 raised to n minus 4 by 4, 6 raised to 3 by 2. Now here students, look at that, base same, then power same, n minus 4 by 4 which is 3 by 2. So it is 4 into 3 by 2, 2 2s are gone. So your data is completely 6 plus 4, n is what? 10. And these students, our big questions is done. Sometime in exam asking 5th and beginning 5th taking, sometimes 6 and from n to last. So you taking here 6 to 6 term, and here I utilize 5th to 5th term according to my question. Yes students, here IMP question done. Now another questions 9 and 10, it is a different topic numerical, so I not explain here. Now I go to example related these questions. Okay students. Now students, after ending we not going 9 and 10 sum. I again repeat, 9 and 10 are different topic related, so I explain you in the next part. So now I going to illustrations. Example 17, it is a last example. Other example also I explain in the next part. Okay students. So now I going to related exercise 8 related questions, that's why I taking. If the coefficient of r minus 5th term and 2r minus 1th term are equal in this expansion, 1 plus x raised to 34, then find out r coefficient of equal. So I first translate in the way of your expansion, a1 bx and n become 34. So students, your formula tr plus 1 ncr a raised to n minus r b raised to r. You have to tr plus 1 34cr, a become 1, 34 minus r, and b is x raised to r. So my data is tr plus 1 34cr x raised to r. This is my general term. Now read again question. R minus 5th term, 2r minus 1th term. So I had derive here one of the r minus 5th. So can we write down here plus 1 necessary according to comparison? I here write down r minus 6. Check. Minus 5 minus 6 plus 1, and here 34c r minus 6 x raised to r minus 6. Statement 1. And similarly, terms of 2r minus 1. Students, here same I showing, but internal what write down here? 2r minus 2, because minus 2 plus 1, how much? It is minus 1. And that same case you can apply 34c 2r minus 2, and here apply 2r minus 2, but x raised to 2r minus 2. Statement number 2. Now 1 and 2, just I check if coefficients, it means that one and this one. So if coefficient of same r minus 5th term, it means terms of r minus 5 and terms of 2r minus 1 are equal. So I can say the equal. This values 34c r minus 6, here 34c 2r minus 2. Now here students, slowly you can expand by formula wise, either expanded. I go to this property, we know the property NCR equal to NCN minus R, apply here. Either here, any one case you apply. So here I going to 34 minus R plus 6, and that same is, yes, I operate this rule, NCR equal to NCN minus R. So my internal data here 40 minus R, 34 plus 6 40. Here same students, 34 2r minus 2. Indirectly you can get the final value, both comparison 40 minus R, 2r minus 2, this and that. Now simplify, 40 plus 2 2r plus R, it get 42 3r. So what's your r equal to? 42 by 3, r is equal to 14. And here students, this r equal to 14, easily done. Sometimes in question given here different coefficients, so that you derive by the first general forming, and after that you derive by in this pattern. Yes students, here only 17 example I do here, and this part I stop. Students, further illustrations, yes, above the 17, and 2 numerical are pending in exercise 8, 9 and 10. I explain you in the next part. Okay students, and this part I completely stop here. Bye bye.